Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my foundation. So just a little bit of a recap. I already have primer on and my eyes are done, okay? So I did my eyes and my brows first, and my mascara, my liner, eyeshadow, and everything first. And like I said again, I already have primer on, which is very important when you're using foundation. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use our liquid foundation. The shade that I'm going to be using is Buff, and we are going into spring. My skin has a little bit more color than it did this winter, so I'm actually going to be mixing it with our tinted moisturizer in Light. And you guys can totally do that. Play around with it. If your foundation, if you don't want as much coverage one day, you can even mix it with our primer. It gives it a little bit of a different finish, and it just makes it a little bit more sheer, and it also changes the color a little bit. So don't be afraid to mix foundations to get your favorite shade, or you can always mix it with a tinted moisturizer. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my foundation, and I am going to apply one pump to the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take the tinted moisturizer, and same thing, I'm gonna put one pump right on top. Now, kind of a fun fact, the way that I mix this is I actually take the end of a brush and just mix it around, and then I'll wipe off that brush on the back of my face. Probably the most professional thing you'll see all day, but anyway, so I'm gonna then take my fingers and start just applying that to my face. Oops. Concentrating on the areas that I need more coverage. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you more of I don't know, kind of a full coverage look. Not really though, because I mixed it with the tinted moisturizer, so it's a little bit more sheer coverage. But the method that I'm gonna be applying it would be the method that you're gonna wanna use if you're looking for a more full coverage makeup look. All right, so I still have a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that in a little bit. But I'm actually gonna grab my kabuki brush. A quick tip with the kabuki brush, or with any brush that you're using to apply your foundation, anything with tighter bristles is gonna give you fuller coverage. And anything with looser bristles is gonna give you a lighter coverage. So today I'm gonna be using the foundation brush again for that more full coverage look. And I'm just gonna be applying this in circular motions. And again, the last stroke that I do is normally down, because that's the way that my hair grows on my face, and I wanna actually be putting that down instead of just leaving it all in circles, because you're gonna really see my facial hair then. All right, I'm gonna be really careful around my brow area here, and you can always go back in and like use a sponge to do the foundation around your eyes if you're afraid of messing up your brows. And just blend that all out. And if you feel like you need a little bit more foundation, like right here in the cheek area, you can totally do that, or you can choose to clean that up with concealer. I'm gonna also show you how I'm gonna go in with my damp blending sponge. It is damp, and then I wrung it out. And you can even just mattify your look a little bit more by just pressing that deeper into the skin. One amazing thing with our foundation is that it can be full coverage, it can be lighter coverage depending on the way you apply it. But if you see a lot of other foundations on the market that are marked full coverage or blurring or perfecting foundation, chances are they are going to have silicone in their products, which does make your foundation go on really nice, but it does not allow your skin to breathe. And so we do not have silicone in our foundation. We have aloe vera, which is really awesome for your skin. And that's another thing that I love to talk about with our makeup, is that it actually has a lot of skincare benefits in it. This one in particular has oregano in it, so it's very antibacterial, antifungal, and it's just really great for your skin. So not only are you having a great makeup product, you're also taking care of your skin at the same time. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you learned how to apply liquid foundation.